barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. If you can't tell, I am set up over here. I am going to do some more Blackstone cooking today. I'm just not a huge fan of using the Blackstone when it's hot. Even though I got a fan going, I may even have to kick that fan up a little bit because it gets really warm back here. There's a good breeze blowing today though, so we're going to try and we're gonna see. I'm already sweating. We've been outside the ballpark. You can tell I'm already red in the face. Which is kind of a natural thing for me, really. But we're going to go ahead and cook us up a little breakfast burritos, but we're going to make them for lunch. We're not really making them for breakfast. It's almost noon, but it's nice outside, and I really want some breakfast burritos, and I want to do them on the griddle here. I want to cook some sausage. I'm going to cook some bacon. I'm going to make a big old. I got to make some eggs. I got to go get eggs. That's something else I got to go get. But I'm going to make a big breakfast burrito out here on the griddle, and hopefully it goes well. Sorry if this video sucks. I know my last one sucked. I haven't even edited that video yet. As I'm currently standing here doing this video, I haven't edited my last video, but I know that video is gonna suck. So, whatever. It is what it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get started. Let's go. Anybody ever have leftover bacon? Because we never have leftover bacon. Never. Well, all right, folks, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Burritos. they were awesome. They were a gold mine. Kids loved them. Wife loved them. I ate about half of mine, and the problem was I sat out here and got hot and sweaty and cooked this meal, and by the time I sat down I wasn't hungry because I was too hot. So I saved mine. I'm gonna eat it later, but you know, I do the same thing with barbecue. Anybody else have that problem where you sit and you cook something all day and by the time you get done you're just like, I'm not even hungry, I don't want to eat it? Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I know it's somebody else that's the same way. But the point is, it was good. They turned out great. They were fantastic. I hope this video turns out better than the last one. But anyway, follow me on social media. If you like the video, hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, NewbieQ2020. Hit me up on TikTok at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you next time. Oh, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.